Okay, here we go. So only one battery is not enough, so I bring back 2 battery, try to start it, and just now I use something to connect these 2 battery together, but it does not work well. This one, it burns, as you can see. It burns badly, so I found some wires with copper. With copper detached to the starter. The light is on. Usually this light is to show that this electricity. I tried maybe half an hour, it just does not work. It feels like there's maybe the injector, so I don't know. Let's have a look. Okay, look, listen. It's always like this. So it's always like this. It's a little bit better. Oh, it's now. I hope it's not now. I don't want to burn it. I detached some belt to, I don't know what it is. I guess this is maybe the hydraulic pump. So all I need to do is to make it start first. This one I don't know. I don't know what it is exactly. So for the moment I don't touch it. I only let the belt to connect it with the fan with the radiator. So in case it runs, you can let it cool down. What I want to do today is to make it run, let the motor start to let it run for a while, so that it can be easier to start next time. I see someone use some sprays to put into the intaker for the air, but I don't have that, and I don't know what is that exactly. So let's have a try. Well, today I changed the radiator pipe. I buy some pieces like these at détaché. French, that means it's a junkyard for the cars. So I buy a piece like this, plus it's €10. I cut it. It's not perfect, as you can see, but at least it's connected. Before it has been running without water for all the time. So today I add water into it. Water stays. But maybe this piece is going to be need to change. I didn't buy this piece yet. What I need to do, very likely I'm going to change it. But I just want the motor to start to run. So in case I'm sure this won't last very long, this piece. In case it does not work, I'm going to change. But for the moment, I just want the motor to run. So let's have a try again. I don't know what it is exactly. I think it should be the hydraulic from the pipe. Anyway, let's have to try it again. Oh, okay. I better be careful, otherwise I won't be having the battery. If I dry up the battery, I won't be able to go back with my car. So I get full gas here. Give full gas to have a try. Okay. Uh-oh. See if it does not start. Is this one burn? Yes, a little bit. Let me try one more last time. There's no electricity. It's not connected. Uh-oh. That does not look good. I hope I didn't burn the starter. That does not look good. Uh-oh. What's wrong with it? It's not good. Well, I'll see you next time. Oh man.